In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Zoom meeting. If you're finished with your call and you're ready to exit the meeting properly, the process is very simple. On the Zoom meeting window, look toward the bottom right area of your screen. You should see the leave option there. In some layouts, it may simply say leave, and in others, it may appear as a button in the lower right corner of the meeting controls. Once you find it, click on leave. That will begin the process of exiting the meeting. If you are a regular participant, Zoom will usually remove you from the meeting right away, or it may show a small confirmation prompt depending on your device or settings. If that happens, just confirm that you want to leave the meeting. One thing to keep in mind is that the exact appearance can vary a little depending on whether you're using the Zoom desktop app, a browser version, or a mobile device. But the general idea is the same. The leave option is typically placed at the bottom right, making it easy to find when you're ready to go. Before you click it, it's a good idea to make sure you're truly done speaking, sharing your screen, or listening to any final instructions. That way, you don't accidentally leave too early and miss something important. This is especially helpful in work meetings, classes, or group calls where the last few seconds may include closing remarks or next steps. If you clicked leave by mistake, don't worry. In many cases, if the meeting is still active and you still have the meeting link or invitation, you may be able to join again. But if you're sure you're done, clicking leave is the quickest way to exit cleanly. So to recap in the simplest way possible, go to the bottom right corner of the Zoom meeting window and click leave. That's all you need to do to exit the meeting. And that's it. Now you know how to leave a Zoom meeting quickly and easily.